every breath I take. The earth gives back in silence. Yoga begins not in the body, but in the stillness between thoughts. At 6 a.m., when the world still dreams, I wake, not to rush, but to return. Stretching with the rising sun, I feel time slows down, as if the day is gently unfolding within me. The wind becomes my teacher. The trees my witness, and the sky an endless reminder that growth has no limits. In the water, I let go. Each ripple carries away the noise I once held on to. Floating between the sky and earth, I find balance. Not perfect, but real. Farming teaches what life forgets: patience, consistency, trust in what cannot be seen yet. Seeds do not rush to bloom. They rest. They grow quietly, deep beneath the surface, just like us. Every drop of sweat, every moment of stillness is a conversation between me and this land. Here, I am not separate. I am part of the rhythm, of sunrise and soil, of breath and becoming. And maybe that's what peace is. Not escaping life, but living it fully in the simplest moments.